Hello, my beautiful kids. How are you? Great. I'm Bushra. Welcome back to your English class. In our last class, we have learned two question words which, when. Today we are going to learn another two question words why and how. Okay, kids? Let's discuss the question word why. The question word why is used to obtain an explanation or a reason. The question word why is used to obtain an explanation or a reason. A lot of times we need to get a reason as to why something happened, and that's when we use the question word why. For example, I could say, why is she always late? Why are you angry? So here we want to know the exact reason why this happened. Right? Now all of you look at your textbook, page number 118, and listen to me very carefully. Okay? Meena likes to ride bicycle. One day, she fell from the cycle into a mud pit. Her dress became dirty. She started crying. So she did not go to school. Meena likes to ride bicycle. One day, she fell from the cycle into a mud pit. Her dress became dirty. She started crying. So she did not go to school. Now I'll ask some questions. You all have to give correct answers for that. Ready? Good. First question. Why is Meena crying? Why is Meena crying? Yes, because she fell from the cycle. Meena is crying because she fell from the cycle. Your next question. Why is her dress untidy? Why is her dress untidy? Yes, because she fell into a mud pit. She fell into a mud pit, that's why her dress became untidy. Correct. Next question. Why didn't she go to school? Why didn't she go to school? Yes, she didn't go to school because her dress became dirty. She didn't go to school because her dress became dirty. You are right. What did you understood from this? We use the question word why to know the exact reason why something is happened. Right? Now let's move on to the question word how. The question word how is also used to seek specific information, and it is used for a description of something or to know the way, manner or form of doing something. For example, if I ask you, how are you? Here I want a description of how you are right now or how you feel. Or if I ask, how do you go to school? This means I want to know the way you go to school. Right? Now all of you look at your textbook, page number 120 and listen. Sana and Lena are friends. Sana goes to school on a cycle. Lena goes by car. They study well. Sana and Lena are friends. Sana goes to school on a cycle. Lena goes by car. They study well. Now let me ask you some questions. How does Sana go to school? How does Sana go to school? Very good, on a cycle. Sana goes to school on a cycle. How does Lena go to school? By car. Superb. Lena goes by car. How do they study? They study well. They study well. Awesome! You all did it well. Now I think all of you got an idea about the question words why and how. Right? The question word why is used to know the reason, while the question word how is used to know the way or method of doing something. Let me conclude for today. All of you practice and exercise the lessons why and how and finish your activities. See you in the next class. Bye. Thank you.